budgie in my head. Look at him. Hopefully he doesn't poop in my hair. That's one thing. Look at him. He is so mischievous sometimes. Mom made him go on my head. And luckily he just pooped before when he was on my hand. Rather than pooping in my hair. Are you gonna go in the camera? Jeez, budgie. Dude, sometimes you are so cheeky. Look at it. He kinda likes it on my head. It just feels so strange. Little put little feet like this on in your hair. Especially if you have hair. This feels weird. And yeah. I wonder if the cockatoo is gonna ever come down. Look at it! Okay, the cockatoo might come down. Hold my hand. I'll be the bird woman. Hold my hand. And this is so. I'm the bird woman.
I haven't met before.
Okay. He's getting kind of vicious. He just hissed. Maybe he doesn't because they haven't met before, so Dude and Soul haven't met before, so it might be a problem. And it hurts for the budgie to bully the big cockatoo. The little bird against a big bird, bullying it. But if the cockatoo reacts back, he's not gonna get it. But yeah, what? So just like done something to Mom's ear. Yeah, now he's playing with her hair just like he did to me last night. And he also made a nest in it. Say good night. Say good night to the camera. Say good night. Oh, it's too shy. Anyway, bye.